everybody bow their head for a legend. Don't breathe for a second, now let the air out. Grab a hand of somebody you care about, so you can hear my message, my confession. Somebody tell Usher I seen a moonwalk. I guess the young Thriller touched him like he touched me, like he touched you. So carrying his legacy, something I must do. And I trust you, lighting candles, concrete visuals. Me and my brothers was the Jackson 5 in our living room. First thing I did when I heard was called Puff, cause him and Mike try to stop the beef between us. Who is us, me and 50? That beef is dead, and the young Mike Jackson gon' take us to the ledge.